Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're in Studio. Start by opening the exact place you edit. From the top ribbon, click View to expose layout and docking controls. Once visible, scan the toolbars list to find the exact toolbar name, home, model, plugins, or a custom toolbar provided by a plugin. Make sure you've saved your layout first, then proceed to modify the displayed toolbars so you can remove the one you don't want without affecting other panels. Now take deliberate action. In View, open Toolbars and uncheck the box next to the toolbar you wish to remove. That hides it immediately. If the toolbar was added by a plugin, switch to Plugins, toggle that plugin off, or uninstall it from the Manage Plugins dialog. Plugin toolbars persist until removed. Once done, make sure panels are docked how you want. If things move around, use View right arrow Reset View. Finish by saving your customized layout so the toolbar stays removed across sessions. Open Studio Settings and save the current layout, or exit after confirming the layout persisted. If the toolbar reappears, inspect your plugins folder in App Data and remove any plugin files that recreate the toolbar, then restart Studio. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset View once more or reinstall Studio if configuration files are corrupted. That clears stubborn toolbars while preserving your projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.